Ni mwihoko wakwa no thiete na mbere na kwirorera Kiheo TV iri kwihanda wega thaa mugwanja cia mĩaraho ali Friday ya muthia ya mweri wa September. Na karibu tutwarithane na ikinya gwa ikinya nginya mahinda ma gũtirĩ wika tũrateithania na memereke na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Lorena Wambui njĩtagwo Francis Wairũra na tũrambĩrĩria na riboti kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu. Thutha wa gũkorwo magĩtangĩka kwa ihinda iraya kuona atĩ makoretwo nduma-inĩ nene, rĩu aikaria matũra matiganĩte kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu nĩmegũkorwo makĩgunĩka na tabarĩra cia hinya wa kũhũthĩka. Kũringana na minista wa hinya nĩwe Opiyo Wandayi, athiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo akiuga atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩratanya gũkorwo ĩkĩnyitanĩra na rũhonge rwa REREC na nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ matũra ma mwena wa Ruiru nĩ mathiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo mekĩrĩtwo thitima. Ikinya rĩrĩ nĩ rĩtanyĩtwo gũkorwo rĩkĩguna mũingĩ na njĩra nene.
Mambo ya maendeleo, hasa mambo ya nguvu ya umeme au stima, kwa sababu stima si ya starehe. Stima itawezesha watoto wetu kusoma, si ndio? Mchana na usiku. Stima itawezesha wamama, wazee na vijana kuanzisha biashara mbalimbali ambazo zinahitaji stima ili mpate mapato na uchumi unike. Jambo la muhimu vile vile, tumesikia maombi yenu kuhusu mambo ya barabara, mambo ya maji na mambo mengi sana. Mimi nina hakika ya kwamba serikali kuu itashughulikia haya maneno. Nikitoka hapa nitawasiliana na wenzangu katika wizara, katika baraza la mawaziri, na nina hakika hizo wizara vingine ziko na mpango kamili, na vile vile Mheshimiwa King'ara atawaleteni majibu.
There is a next village inaitwa Q. Shamba imefika Q pale tumeshikana na Wakamba. Hiyo Kumari Dam hakuna umeme. Kwa plot extension pahali umeona hiyo mradi umefungua imezidi 80 meters, na unajua ndugu yangu hapa ananiambianga ati transformer ni watu 60 kitu kama hiyo. Sasa hiyo umefungua ni watu 80, kuna wengine 80 hawakupata kitu na ndio wakaitwa kwa plot. Hapo hiyo ngambo ile nilikuwa nakuonyesha watu wanajenga, hakuna umeme. Kuna Mwalimu Farm ambaye bwana DCC amekwambia tumejenga police station, tumejenga primary school, tunajenga kwa chief, hakuna umeme kabisa.
Na tugitigana na icio riu tuciuke nginyagia hari ithurano cia UDA. Kiama kia UDA nĩ kĩrĩkĩtie gũkorwo gĩtabanĩtie ithurano nini kũrĩa nominations kana certificates cia nominations ithiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo inengeranĩtwo kũrĩ ahotani. Mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri na nĩwe Professor Kithure Kindiki nĩ gatagatĩ ka atongoria arĩa mathiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo manyitĩte itemi rĩa mwanya arĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ithurano ici nĩ ciakorwo igĩtabanio na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Ithurano nini iratanywo gũkorwo igĩtabanio mweri wa November mweri 27.
First, I want to congratulate all our candidates who battled it out in a very tough nomination exercise from across the country to emerge victorious. This is an important step in your political career. With the UDA certificate, you're almost there in many of the places because this is a very, very respected party. We are the only political party in the country that has elected officials in 44 out of 47 counties. And
Your Excellency, I also want to say that we are the first political party, sir, to do digitally backed nomination where we were getting real-time results of what was going on in each polling station during the day of nomination. And so by the close of business, we were able to know who had won and who hadn't won.
This party will keep its democratic aspects fairly open in terms of ensuring that this party builds on the popularity. We are sure, Professor Kindiki, Deputy President, that our second term is a foregone conclusion, not only because of the popularity of the party and the strength of the party, but largely because of the programs we have delivered that are demonstrable in all these murals that you see in this organization.
I have no doubt whatsoever, when the time comes for us to account for our first term, we have a very, very strong report to give to the people of Kenya. And because we are now expanded and we have been cooperating with other parties under the broad-based administration, we have made concessions so that our partners in the broad-based administration will, on our behalf, field candidates in Ugunja and Kasipul, as well as Magarini.
Tugitigana na ithurano icio cia UDA riu tukorwo tugiikia maitho horo wigi meki ya mawira bururi-ini wa Jerumani. Orire namba nene ya Kenya aria marabatara mawira nja ya bururi ithiete na mbere na gukorwo ikiongerereka riu mwandiki mukaru thiini wa ministry ya maundu megie ugitiri wa bururi na niwe Raymond Omolo ni athiete na mbere na gukorwo oritia Kenya magie na uigiririki na makiria mogwo makorwo makigereka gabiru ma agent aria mari na itanya ria gukorwo makimethera wira nja ya bururi wa Kenya. Ndomereri ino amihianite thutha wa gukorwo atunganite na mbeu njithi mwena wa na mbeu njithi university-ini wa Tom Mboya kuria igite ati bururi wa Jerumani urabatara makiria ma aruti ya wira 500,000.
It is important that Kenyans who are looking for opportunities abroad use the right pathways. What are the right pathways? If you're going to work with a recruitment agency, make sure that that agency is licensed by the Ministry of Labor. And you can find out that information on their website, on the NEA on the National Employment Authority website. That's neims.go.ke. You can find out whether this agency has a license, whether it has lapsed, whether it has been blacklisted, and so on.
Our coming here today, first of all, and most importantly, is what collaboration and partnership can achieve in the realization of the government's agenda and the role of public sector, public institutions, private sector, and the communities. So we want to appreciate Tom Mboya University, which now is an accredited German examination center in the country, for having partnered with the Widows Empowerment Program to undertake this exercise. This is the first cohort, and our expectation is that there will be subsequent cohorts going into the future, because we are unable to meet the demand of the German labor market as it is.
Thutha wa kwamukira riboti iyo kuma university-ini wa Tom Mboya turamba gwikiriro hanini ni turacokereria ndukae guthie kuraya.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Andu akuru o hamwe na aria mari na thina wa kimwiri kaingi ni mendaga kumiririo na guteithiririo ni aria mamendete na iria maraihaniriirie na endwa ao ni mabataraga gukorwo na mundu ungi makwatha na gutuma maigue mendetwo na nikio thukuru wa Jewel Professional College werutĩire hari uheani wa mathomo ma kiriu ma urigitani. Tuna uhoro mwega kuri we kuona ati thukuru ni wambĩtie gĩthomo kĩerũ gĩa caregiving na kiria kina arutani makinyanĩirie ikĩro na aria mena ũhoti na umenyo wa igũrũ nĩguo kũhotithia we mũrutwo ũgĩe na umenyo na utauku maundu-ini matiganite megie urigitani ta urigiti wa mbere uria wikaine ta first aid na maundu mangi maingi. Ona ningi matitigitwo na thutha kuona ati ni marabundithia arutwo na macini cia kiriu niguo gutigirira ni magia na umenyo wa gikiro kia iguru ona makiria. Nawe utangihota guka o muthenya ni undu wa maundu matiganite ndukamake ni undu riu kwina online classes naguo jumba mothi mugoka gwika practicals. Murianyite ugani guku Jewel Professional College kuna woyani ni urathi na mbere. Jewel Professional College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ugikorwo na woni wigie tabarira citu ndukamairirie gutumenyithia kugerera ndumiriri nguhi kana WhatsApp. Namba itu ni 0795 789804 0795 789804 kana email itu niyo info@kiheotv.co.ke.
Unduire wa bururi wa Germany wetiketie ati ni matharau riria waga kunina irio ciorio kunyitite ogeni. Naguo unduire wa Korea we ati riria waheo irio na wanina kuonanagia ni wahacwo. Wari kuga ati ndwagiriirwo kuhuthia umenyo wa unduire wa bururi o wothe. Na nikio thukuru wa Jewel Professional College we haha niguo gukuhe kanya ga gugubundithia we ungienda kumenya thiomi cia nanja nicio foreign languages. Turabundithia rũthiomi rwa Korea, French na Germany niguo ndukana na ihinda iritu riria ugathi gucera kana kuruta wira mabũrũri-inĩ maya. Woyani na wandikithia no urathi na mbere thukuru-inĩ wa Jewel kuogweka nayo wiyandikithie tondu marihi ni mabacirire. Tucerere wabici-inĩ citu nyumba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu Roysambu kurigania na nyumba ya kĩwonjoria ya TRM barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kana uhure thimu ici gifugo mugwanja gifugo imwe ithatu gifugo mugwanja imwe. Jewel Professional College kiambĩrĩria kĩa ũmenyo nĩ gwĩtigĩra Ngai.
Wathi wakura wongagirirwo ngi tabarira ya kuinikiriria o iria gukinyagira muthenya wa Jumamothi riu ni ukite na riri mweru. Tabarira-ini ino ya kuinikiriria turikurehagira badi all the way kwambiriria thaa 3 cia utuku nginyagia thaa 6 utuku gatagati muthenya wa Jumamothi imwe kwa imwe kuma guku gwa Kiheo TV kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ejo ni rapamukira wewe hamushi ayitoro kurathima wewe munonani wa Kiheo TV agikoni wani batayetoro
mutabania tiugi ni MC Kiheji wa Gitawa
nire tole mago mari tole meto oyo kwagito taidia nire tuhataga komeka tuhatithio nire tole ya Jesu.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV kihumo kia witikiriku.
Naam, karibu ni twacokereria hari kirekeria keri na ria muthia. Oriri gukoretwo kuri na migomo ya arutwo thiini wa mathukuru ma thekondarĩ na arutwo magathukangia indo cia makiri ma mbeca. Riu murutani munene wa thukuru wa Tenweka neyumirite na guthii na mbere na gukorwo akiuga ati gutiri mugomo handikite thiini wa thukuru uyo. Oho no athiite na mbere na gukorwo areganite na ndumiriri ikoretwo ikihunjio thiini wa nenda gukirikana ati ni gukoretwo kuri na migomo kana thiini wa thukuru ucio ni gukoretwo kuri na mugomo. Aheanite ndumiriri ino akiri na ndiki ya mohoro thiini wa wabici yake.
Jana tulisikitika pakubwa kusikia watu ambao wana nia mbaya wakiweka kwenye mtandao ya kwamba shule yetu tukufu ya Tenwek ilikuwa imechomwa. Ukweli wa mambo ni kwamba shule hii wanafunzi wake wana historia ndefu ya kutenda mema. Shule hii ina wanafunzi werefu, wanafunzi wa shule ya kitaifa kutoka sehemu mbalimbali za nchi hii. Ukweli wa mambo ni kwamba yalipokuwa yakiendelea kwenye mtandao ni yale ambayo yanaendelezwa na wale watu ambao wana chuki na hawana maono. Lengo lao ni kuona ya kwamba asasi zetu, yani institution, zinasambaratika ili washerekee. Ukweli wa mambo ni kwamba mimi kama mwalimu mkuu wa shule hii, kwa niaba ya kamati tawala ya shule na hata Wizara ya Elimu na tume ya kutoa huduma kwa walimu nchini Kenya, Tenwek High School tuko imara. Wanafunzi wanaendelea na mtihani wa mwisho wa mwaka na wanafunzi hao tumewaorodhesha mitihani. Wanafunzi hao wanaendelea na shughuli zao za kila wakati, na wale ambao wana nia mbaya wajua kwamba chochote kiovu ambacho unafanyia mtu mwingine kitakuandama milele. Mimi nataka kuhakikisha tu wananchi, washikadau wote wajua kwamba Tenwek High School itaendelea kuwa kielelezo kwa sababu ya historia yake ndefu na nono.
Na riu turikiririe na riboti kuma thiini wa igoti ria Shanzo. Itanya ria mundiki wa nenda-ini wa kuria gicua-ini kwenda gukorwo akirugamia cira uria ukoretwo ugithi na mbere wonyitani wa kiehinya riu ni uringite ihiga, na uni thutha wa mucirithania wa igoti ria Shanzo na niwe Robert Mbogo guthi na mbere na gukorwo akiuga ati we ndari na hinya wa gukorwo akirugamia kana kuga ati cira uyu no guthi na mbere kuringana na mutongoria wa thitango athiite na mbere na gukorwo akiuga ati uria uri na mahinya ma kurugamia cira unyitani wa kiehinya gukorwo ugithi na mbere ni wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi ODP.
We have to receive a direct authority to withdraw from the office of the Director of Public Prosecution, that is the DPP himself. Also, we'd like to make reference to count number 3 and count number 4 of the charge sheet, which are charges of gang rape, which are sexual offences. We'd also like to make reference to section 40 of the Sexual Offence Act, which provides that matters of sexual offense are only withdrawn by the DPP. We are also a bit concerned as to why the advocates watching brief who are appointed by Mombasa Law Society and the Law Society of Kenya were not even aware that the nominal complainant in this matter, Mr. Bruce, was even going to withdraw his matter, but the counsels of the accused persons were aware. Yet he says that he has just come to court this morning. So we wonder how they are aware, but the rest of the advocates are not aware. Not even us prosecution were aware that he wanted to withdraw, but counsels of the accused were aware. Mr. Bruce can write a formal letter to the Director of Public Prosecution in person or to the Regional Coordinator, Coast Region, making his application to withdraw the matter and stating the reasons that he has said before court as to why he would like to withdraw this matter, considering that this is a matter of public interest.
Then the matter shall proceed. The word used is shall. The prosecution, as indicated earlier, are not able to proceed, while the complainant is able to proceed by addressing the court and indicating his wish to withdraw.
Na riboti iyo niyo yakore gitwikirira gaturumo ka mohoro maretu manamo ari mohoro ma thaa mugwate gatho cia mwanya kuri timu yothe yakore gitigirira ati mohoro maya ni makoro megukinyira na njira iria yagirire Juma Wika tumana memereke na njira ya shekwetagwo Lorena Wamboi jetagwo Francis Wairura gatagati ga timu yothe ni gatho tugakwendithiria muthi odoma na weekend na umithio.